Have you ever noticed how much of our stress comes from trying to control things we can't? Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Most people live life trying to bend the world to their will, but Stoics do something different. They pause, they ask, "Is this in my control?" And if the answer is no, they let go. This mindset doesn't mean weakness, it means wisdom. Because when you stop trying to control everything, you gain the only thing that matters: yourself. It starts with asking a simple question: is this mine to manage? If it's your thoughts, emotions, or choices, then yes. If it's other people, the past, or fate, then no. This isn't giving up, it's growing up. Marcus Aurelius lived in constant war, loss, and pressure, yet he wrote about inner calm. Because he knew the real enemy isn't out there, it's in here. We fight to control outcomes, but we can only control actions. You can show up, you can give your best, but what happens next, that's not your burden. So how do you build this inner strength? Step 1. Awareness. You can't fix what you can't see. Step 2. Separation. Just because you feel something doesn't mean you have to obey it. Step 3. Intentional action. Character flipping a switch labeled respond instead of react. Calm light floods the room. Even when things go wrong, you can still choose your response. That's freedom. That's strength. Marcus said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events, so guard it like treasure." Don't waste energy on what you can't influence. You're not responsible for how others act, only how you react. Someone. Your peace is too valuable to give away. Let people think what they want. Let the world move how it does. You just focus on what's true, what's right, and what's in your hands. Don't get pulled into the drama of life. Rise above it. Every time you let go of control, you become stronger inside. Because real power isn't dominance, it's detachment. You're not here to control the world, you're here to master yourself. When others lose their heads, keep yours. When things fall apart, rebuild inside. This isn't fantasy, it's ancient philosophy, proven in emperors and everyday people alike. So the next time life pushes you, don't push back. Pause, breathe, choose. Let go of what was never yours to hold. And take back what always was: your mind, your peace, your power. That's what Marcus Aurelius lived by. That's what made him unshakable. So the question is, will you keep trying to control the world, or will you start mastering yourself?